Microsoft Project is expensive, but MPP files are standard for project management. You can view the Gantt charts and timelines using free alternatives. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here are the best viewers. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed acts as a quick test for MPP file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. The MPP serves as a primary example within the document file classification. The chosen format for data exchange is the Microsoft Project file type. The MPP file is the native proprietary project format for Microsoft Project. It functions as a complex database containing task dependencies, resource allocation, timelines, and Gantt chart information for project management. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and relational. Its structure maintains all project dependencies. While viewers like Serena OpenProj can interpret the file, full editing capabilities require the original Microsoft Project application due to its complex scheduling algorithms. The industry standard application for MPP is considered to be Microsoft Project from Microsoft Corporation. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may offer basic previews, but full access requires a supporting document application. Your first move is to identify the possible decoders. Right-click the MPP file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Project if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If the MPP file is still giving you trouble, relax. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, use Microsoft Project. Open the file using Microsoft Project, ensuring your version is equal to or newer than the version that created the file. Next, use Alternative Viewer. If the full program is unavailable, use a free MPP viewer like Project Plan 365 or Gantt Project to view the plan details. Finally, export to XML PDF. Ask the sender to export the file as an XML or PDF for universal viewing or use in non-Microsoft Project applications. When the Open With method doesn't solve the MPP issue, we now need specialized software built for full file access. The best path forward is a dependable method tailored for trying to open stubborn MPP files. When you frequently encounter difficult files, FileMagick is a must-have. Its strong point is the instant preview of content, bypassing common corruption and extension errors in any MPP file. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes. Your file corruption should be history.